Hello and welcome back to Macuse Signature Kitchen. Today I'm making Haitian style scrambled eggs that is packed with fresh vegetable and Caribbean flavor, which is perfect for any morning. Let's get cooking.
Signature kitchen. Let's cook something unforgettable.
For this recipe, you will need 4 eggs, 1 onion, quarter of green pepper, quarter of yellow pepper, a quarter of red pepper, 1 tomato, half a lime, your favorite seasoning to taste, butter for your bread, olive oil, salt to taste, parsley to taste, black pepper to taste, and your bread. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Remove the thick white strain if desired.
Signature kitchen, where every meal is made with vision, from the spices to the flame. Every dish got its own name. Taste the love in every bite. Cooking dreams day and night. Come together, take a seat.
Next, add your lime juice to help reduce the strong egg flavor and mix well. Season your eggs with parsley, salt, black pepper, and your favorite seasoning. If you like a little heat, add a few drops of Macuse hot sauce. Whisk again until everything is well combined, and then set aside. Dice the bell peppers, tomato, and onions.
Signature kitchen, where every meal is made with vision, from the spices to the flame. Every dish got its own name. Taste the love in every bite. Cooking dreams day and night. Come together, take a seat. In this kitchen, life tastes sweet.
Food is love, food is art. Every recipe from the heart. Every flavor tells a tale.
Every dish will never fail.
From the stove to your soul.
Cooking makes the spirit whole. If you're hungry, come on in. Let the flavor journey begin. Welcome to Macuse Signature Kitchen.
Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat.
It's tradition. Every
Add the vegetable in the pan and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes or until soft and fragrant.
taste the love. Feel the heat. Every
Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. I like to add a little of my special seasoning blend for extra flavor.
You'll never cook alone. Welcome to the kitchen.
Pour the egg mixture into the pan. Let it cook for about a minute or two. Then gently flip the egg so the other side can cook until lightly golden.
Step in the kitchen, let the fire ignite. Fresh ingredients shining so
Butter your bread.
the garden straight to the plate. Every little flavor we celebrate. Chop it up, mix it right. Season it with love tonight. Every dish tells a story true. Cooking magic
And toast it in a pan until golden brown.
bites, bringing flavor, bringing life. Every recipe made with heart. Right here is where the flavors start. Welcome to Macuse.
Have fun plating. You can serve with fried plantain or as is, in my case with bread and avocado. And just like that, your delicious Haitian-style scrambled eggs is ready to enjoy. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Macuse Signature Kitchen for more easy and flavorful Caribbean recipes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bon appetit. Voila. Enjoy.
Hear the sizzle in the pan, cooking like a master plan. Colors dancing on the stove, every flavor starts to glow.
From sweet desserts to savory delight.